Hi, till now in compound automata I discussed union, intersection and difference. Now I'll discuss concatenation. If L1, L2 to regular language, then L1 concatenation L2 is also regular language. Let's explain with an example. Language is every string start with A, end with B. First I will design DFA for start with A, then I will design DFA for end with B, then I will concat both. Let's design DFA for start with A. If there will be B transaction, it will go to dead state. This is a dead state. And if we will start with A, it will go to final state. It will accept single A, then A. After that, it can be anything. Then design a DFA for end with B. This is a DFA for end with B. Now we will concat both the DFA. This is our machine 1, this is our machine 2. So what will be the step for concatenation or process for concatenation? For M1 concatenation M2, add a epsilon transaction from M1 final state to initial state of M2. So M1 final state is 1 and initial state of M2 is 3. We will add a epsilon transaction from final state of 1 to state 3. Make M1 final state to non-final state. Here 1 is the final state, that will make to non-final. Then convert epsilon NFA to DFA. After adding epsilon, it will be epsilon NFA that will convert to DFA. Let's concat this by using epsilon. Till now it is same. Here 1 was final state, now 1 is non-final. Now we'll add a epsilon transaction and here this DFA will be same. All the transaction will be same. So you can see M1 initial state is initial state for both. Then we add epsilon transaction from M1 final state to initial state of M2. So just convert one final to non-final and we add epsilon transaction from state 1 to state 3. Now we'll convert this epsilon NFA to DFA. You know how to convert epsilon NFA to DFA. First we'll find the transaction, then we'll find the E-closure. Only E-closure of 1 is 1, 3, rest of E-closure will be that state itself. So initial state will be 0. Then from 0 by A where it goes, from 0 by A it goes to state 1. And E-closure of 1 is 1, 3. So from 0 by A it will goes to state 1, 3. Then by B it goes to state 2 and 2 E-closure is 2 itself. It will be same. So from 0 by B it goes to state 2 and at state 2 there will be self loop of AB. Now I'll find for state 1, 3. From state 1 by A it goes to state 1 and from state 3 by A it goes to state 3. So we got 1, 3. 1 E-closure is 1, 3. So from 1, 3 state by A it will be self loop of A. From state 1 by B it goes to state 1. From state 3 by B it goes to state 4. We got 1, 4. Okay. And E-closure of 1 is 1, 3. And 4 E-closure is 4. New state will be 1, 3, 4. From 1, 3 by B, it goes to state 1, 3, 4. And that will be final state as it contains state 4. Now we'll check for 1, 3, 4 state. Now from state 1 by A, it goes to state 1. From state 3 by A, it goes to state 3. From 4 by A, it goes to state 3. So we got 1, 3. And 1, 3 E-closure will be 1, 3. From 1, 3, 4 by A it will goes to state 1, 3. Now by B, from 1 by B it goes to state 1. From 3 by B it goes to state 4. We got 1, 4. 1, 4 E-closure is 1, 3, 4. So from 1, 3, 4 by B it goes to state itself. It will be self loop of B. Now we got this DFA. If you will mark this part, it's same as this and this part is same as this. Just 1 was the final state here. Here this 1, 3 is the non-final state. Let's check which string it is accepting and which is not. A, it is start with A, yes. Is it end with B? No. So from 0 state by A it goes to state 1, 3 and that is a non-final, so it don't accept. Now check B, is it start with A? No. Is it end with B? Yes. As it is not start with A, it will not accept. Just check by B, it goes to state 2 and that is a non-final, so it don't accept. Now check A, B, is it start with A? Yes. Is it end with B? Yes. So it should accept. By A from 0 it goes to state 1, 3 and from 1, 3 by B it goes to state 1, 3, 4 and that is the final state, so it accept. Now check A, Is it start with A? Yes. Is it end with B? No. From 0 by A, it goes to state 1, 3, and from 1, 3 by another A, it will be a self loop and it don't accept. Now just check A, B, A, B. Is it start with A? Yes. Is it end with B? Yes. So it should accept. Now just check whether it is accepting or not. From 0 by A, it goes to state 1, 3. Then from 1, 3 by B, it goes to state 1, 3, 4. Then by A, it goes to state 1, 3. Then by another A, it will be a self loop. Then by B, it goes to state 1, 3, 4 and it accepts. So which string start with A and end with B, that will be accepted by this DFA. Steps for finding concatenation: add a epsilon transaction from final state of first machine to initial state of second machine and convert final state of first machine to non-final. Now got a epsilon NFA, then convert that epsilon NFA to DFA. We'll get the concatenation. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.